Shut up and sit down.
Oh, welcome to Christmas speech. Wow, what a year 2022 has been. First of all, we got rid of bumbling Boris. Yeah. Wibble coming. He was to be replaced by Liz and her trussies. We all know how well that went. Now we got Rishi and his Sunak. Yeah. And he's gone bloody AWOL, isn't he? I don't know. What a year it's been, eh? Anyway, welcome to Festa's Christmas speech, an alternative to what's just been on, because yes, folks, it's King Charles's first Christmas speech. We got a new monarch. Poor old Liz, bless her heart, turned her toes up back in the summer, ripe old age of 96, and is no longer with us. So, R.I.P. me darling, you did your country proud and all of that lot. Yeah, and we got old Flappy Lugs now with his temper tantrums, the pampered prince doing his bit. Yeah, talking of princes, what do we make of old Harry then, eh? Cool, that's been a turn up of the books, folks, isn't it, eh? Oh, he's got the right hump, isn't he? So yeah, him and his Meghan or whatever and her Markle are having a bit of a wibble with flicking the V's at the monarchy and all of that lot. So we got all of that going on. And that's before we've even got Vlad and his Putin, folks. Yeah. He's been a bit of a naughty boy this year, isn't he, eh, with this Ukraine thing. Seems to be that the problem we have is old men in power far too long having a measuring contest. Well, Vlad, as my mum said, you obviously wasn't brought up right. You obviously need a good stern talking to, and if you carry on, we'll get her to do it for you. Because I'm sure my old ma, mate, will put you in your place. So sort it out, turn it in, pack up your bags and fuck off back to Russia and leave them all alone, mate. There you go. Anyway, what else has been going on this wonderful year that 2022's been? Wibble building up here, folks. Yeah. I'm in. Jingle bollocks. Yeah, there you go, we've done it. Yeah, what else has been going on? Well, apart from shrinkflation, we got inflation, haven't we? We got all of that going on. Cost of living crisis, you name it, it's happening. If we weren't moaning about the hot weather, we've been moaning about the cold weather. It's been a right old 2022 for all of us, bit 2 and 8 if you ask me. Well, I'm hoping 2023 is going to be a bit better. What other events in 2022? Take 2, because we made a boo-boo. Yeah, so what else has been going on? Well, the community's been doing its usual thing, sharing the love and all of that lot. A few of you out there are a bit poorly bad at the moment, so big loves, big hugs, big get well soons to all of you that aren't feeling too great at the moment. As for the rest of you, pull our socks up, I think, for 2023 and get the mojo going. I know I've got to. I've been a bit slack this year, folks, so bear with me. I've got some lovely projects coming up for you all next year. Talking about problems, we also had a major one this year with a defiant Panzer upsetting Lady Sarah Jane, getting packed off to North Korea because he was a bit of a stubborn old fart and was mocking her. So he got his comeuppance and he got his 3 months inkling rock climbing, rock picking, should we say. So he's been doing that. He's now been released and he's on 12 months probation. There's a little treat for you coming up at the end of this. What else has been going on then, folks? Well, we've been doing the Models shows and doing the Models builds. Been doing some builds with Fox up over on the frolics and all of that, so we'll be keeping that coming. Can't think of anything really else that I've been doing. Back that up again. Take a break. Going well, isn't it? So what else have we been up to then? He says, looking blankly at the screen because he's made a boo-boo. Well, this folks, isn't it? So yeah, the 24/7's been going from strength to strength. The hangout has been doing well. Loads of lovely people in there coming and going and to and froing. So we've had plenty of fun and frivolity in all of that. I'm going to sit and have me turkey, me dinner. I'm going to leave you with a little treat. She's been requested time and time again. A few people got in touch with me and asked me to bung this in the Christmas speech this year. So we're going to roll back the clock to August. My tip of the week on the prime time live stream. So put your feet up, enjoy, and when we come back, you'll have a nice alternative Christmas ditty to see you out. But in the meantime, I'd like to say a big thank you to all my patrons, all my channel members, and everyone put their hands in their pockets and supported the channel during the last 12 months. All the bits and pieces will get sent out in the new year once the strikes and that have sorted themselves out. So your rewards are coming, folks. I've got them just there. So in the meantime, have a drink for me. Good Christmas. Wish you all the very best for 2023. I'll see you on the other side. Enjoy this little visual treat you're about to get. Till the next one. Catch you later, folks. Ta-ra.
Day's tip of the week. Day's tip of the week. Day's tip of the week. Day's tip of the week.
Wow. There you go. Right, so hang on then. Right, so Colin. Boink. There you go.
This is a rather appropriate tip of the week this week, folks. And it's all about love, loyalty and respect. So when appointed to the position of a deputy by the lovely Sarah Jane, my top tip is be dutiful, loyal, respectful. Do not in any way undermine the leadership and don't have insubordination. That simple. Top tip, folks. Be respectful to Sarah Jane and she will be respectful to you.
Okay, right. Yes, and look at what's this? What's this? What's all this? What's all this? He's loving it, look. He's loving it, look.
Mate, honestly, Philip, you would not believe how smug I'm looking at the camera at this moment in time, mate. Because there is such a wonderful thing in life called karma.
My God, that has got to be the prince of all smugness, isn't it? Yes, look at that. I tell you, man,
mate, honestly,
man,
he has sat there for months going, I'm Sarah Jane's deputy and I'm gonna tell her when I see her that you've been this and you've all been picking on me and she's gonna fine you. Well, my philosophy is
that's it. If anything else, Colin's tip of the week is yes, there we go. Right. I
I'd like to clarify as well. I've not been resentful in any way of Panzer's mocking.
Oh no,
of me.
that doesn't sound it, does it? No.
His self-centered smugness at all. It's not gotten to me. However, at the moment I'm sat here with 5 crossbows, 3 bow and arrows, and a blunderbuss because I'm loving every minute of it. I'm Sarah Jane's secretary.
Right. Right. Panzer, have you any last will and testament? Words and testament? And,
Yeah, last will and testament.
and
Yes.
yes, that as well, yeah. And would you like me to inform them of the day of your burial?
He was buried Tuesday, 2nd of August, at 8:30.
Yeah.
Blimey. God, dear oh Lord. Oh, mate. I'll tell you what, if this lot is your friends, mate, Jesus. God, blimey, you are.
The friends like this who needs an enemies, yeah.
Well, he used to sit in the hangout, Philip, and he'd be going, I'll be seeing Sarah Jane on Tuesday, and I'm going to tell her that you've been a defiant little Festa.
Oh, you get.
That's the worst impression I've ever heard.
Oh no! I've just snorted coffee out of my nose. Oh, you get.
Nostril cleaning service at your level.
Oh dear, oh Lord.
Who had 34 minutes on Philip corpsing?
Bloody hell. Jeez. Oh, I don't think anyone had any idea about coffee in the nose though. Blimey, right.
I hope it had sugar.
Right.
Oh dear.
Right.
Anyway.
Yeah. Panzer, what's your tip of the week?
Well,
Don't be such a smug bastard and just get on with life. Yeah. Okay. Right.
There was such a tip as Colin's that nothing I can say could pale to comparison. You're talking about smug. He's been holding on to it. Nice to know who your friends are.
I mean, I'd like to clarify, Panzer, under no circumstances do I bear you any grudges, mate. I have, you know, I've got a dartboard sat here with your photograph on the front, full of holes, mate. But I don't bear any grudges.
Oh dear! You can tell he's been meticulously planning this. For
He has.
Days.
Surprisingly, Sunday. So he had Monday. He didn't stream Sunday afternoon with Fox.
No, I didn't sleep Monday, mate. I was too stressed.
Yeah. So he's been writing it all. I bet there's a scribble pad up next to it with his everything listed.
To coin a phrase, Panzer, it's been festering for months, mate.
Oh dear!
Bloody ruined my Christmas, it did.
What, next Christmas? Yeah.
Yeah. Before we forget everything, before this all goes down the pan, what was your tip of the week? I forgot what the hell it was now. I give up. We are on tip of the week, aren't we?
I can't do a tip of the week with something like that. You just can't top that tip of the week.
Panzer's tip of the week. Panzer's tip of the week.
Oh dear.
Anyway, enough mockage. Carry on, sir.
Oh dear. I'm afraid I don't. I just can't. It was just getting Colin on to do that. It was so brilliant. Yeah.
In that case,
Colin's tip of the week is don't piss off Sarah Jane.
Yeah.
In that case, then
Look,
that was the
look. Homemade chocolate.
What I want to know, Panzer, is how much of that chocolate chip is on the carpet monster. Your carpet monster's got a belly bigger than mine tonight, mate.
I'll tell you what, that's like watching the last man's meal or a man's last meal, isn't it?
His last meal.
Yeah. Right, that was the tip of the week.
Day's tip of the week. Day's tip of the week. Day's tip of the week. Today's tip of the week.
Oh, blimey. I don't know. Oh, Gordon Bennett. Right, let's have a look, see. Let's have a look, see what else has been happening in chat. Oh,
Yes,
dear.
let's see whether anyone's left.
I've been told to breathe. Yeah. Oh, dear. And you got the best monologue ever from Festa.
Yeah.
Oh, dear, oh, Lord. I trust you to Apple saying to Andy, I trust you take notice to happenings. So if you waffle up on this show, yes. Oh God, I can't talk.
Are you glad you sent me that link earlier, aren't you, Philip?
Oh, I am. Yes, that's classic, mate. Classic, absolute classic. There was just that little. It was like a storm pending. It was just that little tiny rumble, you know.
Well, this
and
is
then all
it.
of it, and then build, and then you just yes.
It was a bit like one of my shrinkflation wibbles, mate. It had built up over many months, and you just open the floodgates, mate.
Oh dear. Oh blimey. Right. And Steve's asking, is there any last requests?
Yes, I had a request called and said that you'd join me at the firing squad.
I'll tell you, mate, they'll be the ones who are pulling the trigger at this rate.
There's snakes on either side for you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dear.
Happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am.